Hello everyone, today we are discussing how to write a business plan, so you're in luck. If you are new here, don't forget to like this video and hit the bell icon to be notified about future videos. All right, let's dive right in. So, what is a business plan? The business plan offers a foundation for your business, whether to inform and appeal to investors or to have a blueprint to follow as you enter a growing market. It's good to have one at your disposal. When writing your plan, you'll decide and document your legal structure, accounting, marketing, and exit strategy. And there are templates at SimplifyLLC to get you started. Why would you need to write a business plan? It's simple. It offers guidance that is helpful to stay on course to success. Writing a thorough and detailed business plan helps you establish a blueprint for your business. In it, you can plan for different financial scenarios, organize your management team, and craft a cohesive brand strategy. The benefits of writing a business plan include scaling down your idea. With your business plan, you can narrow your ideas down to a product or service, showing peers, potential customers, and potential investors you're serious about your business through careful and thorough market research. Consolidate your market research. In the plan, you'll include foundational information like your mission statement, goals, and values to be ready to take advantage of all the business opportunities available to you. When you fully know the market and what customers want, you can properly advertise your mission. Account for your expenses. The financial aspect of your business plan helps you determine the profit margin. With so many startup costs, your first order of business is making up for those costs through accounting and bookkeeping so you can break even. Plan for unseen circumstances. With a detailed plan, you'll have a strategy to weather unforeseen events. You'll have a plan for asset management and even an exit strategy. Appeal to investors. And last but certainly not least, writing a business plan shows investors that their money would be put to good use if they choose to invest. When you have a concrete financial and accounting plan, potential investors can be confident in your business. Okay, so I'll just get to writing. Why do I need a template? The business plan templates will help you cover all your bases and follow the format of the business plans of other business in your industry. They also make sure you don't miss any vital details. There are so many available on the internet, and most of them are free. Let's discuss the elements of a business plan. When going through your template, you may wonder what goes in each section and if they even apply to your business. First is the executive summary. Right after the title page and the table of contents is the executive summary. Written last, it introduces your business and the plan. It's an overview of your business that should be engaging, much like a book's first page. You have to capture the reader's attention to keep them reading. Your executive summary will include your mission, business size, location, management, ownership, and product or service. You'll also give the reader a sneak peek of the target market and how you'll meet their needs. Then you'll include an overview of the competition, how you'll get your share of the market, and your financial requirements and projections. Next is the company description. Like the executive summary, the company description introduces your business. It introduces how it fits into different market areas and how your products and services will satisfy customer needs and wants. Detail your industry and how you'll set yourself apart from the pack. Industry analysis. Also called market analysis, it takes an in-depth look at your market, how competitive it is, and how this justifies your expenditures. This is where you can show investors you've done your research and that you're entering a growing market with a definitive target audience. It's also helpful to establish a demand for your product or service. Include a SWOT analysis, strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, to incorporate all these factors in an organized way. Make sure you include the market size, sales volume, value, and any barriers to entry. Competitive analysis. Now this portion builds on the industry analysis by identifying specific competitors. Cover three things in this section: direct competitors, indirect competitors, and your competitive advantage. Direct competitors are companies that solve the same customer problem you do with a similar solution. Include their name, overview, products and services, pricing, and market segmentation. Also, do a SWOT analysis of each competitor. Do the same for indirect competitors. Now, those companies that solve the same customer problem with a different solution. Now, once you've identified your competitors, show how you have a competitive advantage that differentiates you from the competition and what findings you can draw from your competitors' weaknesses. Then there is the customer analysis. Here you will focus on your target market customers and their needs. You'll need to know your target customers and what they want. You'll use this to develop how your company solves the customer's problems or satisfies their needs. The all-important marketing plan comes next. This is one of the essential parts of your business plan. This is where you detail your products, services, pricing, and promotion. List all your key products or services, descriptions, and pricing in the products or services subcategory. Discuss how you will attract new customers and which marketing channels you will use. The logistics and operations plan details your business's day-to-day processes and milestones you will use to gauge company growth. Now, these processes will be your actions to serve customers like marketing, product development, customer service, manufacturing, and administration. Then you will detail milestones like your launch date, revenue milestones, and product or service introductions. Next, to answer the question of who with the ownership and management plan. Here you'll list who will own and maintain your business values, legal structure, management, and staff requirements. Now this way, you can have these positions, roles, and payroll in order when it comes time to hire. The most important part of your business plan for investors and lenders is the financial plan. This demonstrates whether or not your business will be profitable and grow. Include revenue model, financial highlights, funding requirements, and your exit strategy. The revenue model shows how your company will profit. Financial highlights will include a financial forecast with a 5-year projected income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. Include a break-even analysis to show investors how much you need to make to profit after startup costs are paid off. Funding requirements detail where money lent or invested will go in your business, like product development, marketing, and staffing. If you're for equity capital and sell your business eventually, you have to plan your exit strategy. The last section of the business plan is the appendix. This is where you share supporting documents and information for the preceding sections. Include complete financial statements here and credit histories for business owners, diagrams, and market research, mortgage documents, references, and links to your business website. And that's it. You've written your business plan. Congratulations, you're ready for greatness. Thanks very much for watching today. To find out more about starting and operating your business, check our website, www.SimplifyLLC.com. There you will find customizable business plan templates and examples to guide you through the process of writing your business plan. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We love to read your comments and answer your questions. So thanks again. We will see you next time.